Let's see. Bam, 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 da 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 da. Okay, here we go. Link, 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 link. I think we back, chat. I think we back. Let me know what you think. Kind of need to open all the chats again because this is literally a part 2 now. What do you think? Okay, okay, I'm back. No lag now? Hopefully there's no lag, like literally 0 lag. If there is lag, I don't think what we have to do. Write down in the comments, man, if the lag is okay. Much better? 0 lag, perfect. Shit, we were about to literally use my own image on this Lamborghini, and let's see how it goes. Boo. Okay, chat, what I was about to do, by the way, is from storage, send my own image, ask for the Laravel developer on the Lambo, and just pray it works, okay? Let's see. So what I will do is go back here and just fat my image while everyone is connecting. No lag for now. We are so back, chat. We are so back, okay? So I'm going to just copy my image, just like that. Go to work, again, streams, AI example. Go to storage and copy paste this. I'm going to call this nuno.png. Here we go. And now I'm going to go to coding once again. So this will be, I'm going to use here from path, just like we did, okay? So storage path, this will be nuno.png, which is storage path. Here we go. Thank you, PHPStorm. Okay, chat, this should work. So what I'm doing, by the way, what I'm doing right here is the following. Wait, what? What time is, wait, what? What's happening with the chat all the way top? I don't see it. Oh, this is no good. Oh my God, the chat is broken, I think. Can you guys type something on the chat, like whatever? Because I think the chat is literally broken. Yeah, it stopped working. That sucks, man. Oh, wait, what? The Twitch chat is working. Like you guys can see only Twitch people on the way top. But it seems to be stuck. The YouTube one. Anyways, let's move forward, chat. I can see the YouTube stuff. Okay, I can see the YouTube stuff. Okay, I can see the YouTube stuff. W Nuno, thank you. Wait, what? It's working. It's back, baby. Cobra Kai is back, baby. Cobra Kai is back. Okay, we back. We fully back. Okay, so what I'm doing here, chat, let's focus. We need to focus, man. We need to focus, okay? We need to focus all the way in. So what we are doing here is delete the image.png, okay? And what I will do is the following. I'm going to ask for an image of a guy on the attachment driving a Lambo. The attachment will be Nuno's picture, which is this one, this beautiful dude, okay, right here. And then I'm going to ask OpenAI to generate an image with that. We start as the image, and it is done, okay? Let's go all the way up. Bam, bam, boom. Type PHP image. Type enter and see how it goes, okay? We know this is slow. We know that this will take a little bit, okay? That's what we know. But we can wait, okay? Boom. You guys are so awesome. Literally 100 people just connected immediately to the part 2. You guys are so cool. It will combine it automatically. Let's see. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Where progress bar? That's a good point. Like having a progress bar. We absolutely need a progress bar, okay? We absolutely need a progress bar right here. We don't see a progress bar. That's no good. But it's generating, man. Use the smartest model for the image. That's actually a very good point. I could have done that. Also a very good point is that I haven't checked my OpenAI bill. I'm using the it's done, chat. It's done. Oh my God. Do I look like this? Come on, I look a little bit better than this. No, don't you think? Come on, I look a little bit better than this. Let's go. It is working, man. But I think I'll look a little bit better than this. Hopefully, right? Let me see. With a Lambo? Like that? So good, man. Can we just... It's right. Yeah, I know. Can we just realize how fucking ridiculous is this API? Honestly, we need to tweet about this. We need to tweet about this stuff, okay? We need to tweet about this stuff. This is fucking ridiculous. Easy to just manipulate images with Taylor AI SDK. We need to tweet about this ASAP. So I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna just do this and open Twitter because we need to speak about this. We need to be open about this stuff, okay? So let's go all the way up. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. And let's post something. I'm gonna go this, bam, bam, boom, go to chat, improve the screenshot. Okay, just do that. Boom. So, Taylor is SDK is so good. Okay, this is what I think. Honestly, what I think. So let's just tweet this because people do need to know about this stuff. This is a must know. Okay, everyone needs to know about this. Let's just do this. Bada boom. Save it. Bam. Taylor SDK is so F good, okay? Here we go, chat. This is a tweet, okay? We need to tweet about this stuff. Important. There is the equivalent of an AI SDK on other languages. Good luck finding that, dude. I'm going to just tell you this, okay? Good luck finding that. So this is what we have, and we are not done. This is half of the documentation, chat. So we have been streaming for 2 hours, and this is half of the documentation. Can you guys see on right here? This is half of the documentation. This is how fucking ridiculous big this package actually is. Okay? Half of the documentation. There is so much stuff we can do about this. Images can be generated with a high quality landscape. And of course, you can also ask for the smartest model on the agent as we have seen. Okay? We can also ask for the smartest model. Okay? So we can attach whatever we want to when prompting for an image. So potentially here you can upload the PDF and ask for changes, for example. You can upload a file or a text file and do that. You can equally send a request given file to the image prompt if you want to, okay? We can store the given image publicly if we want to as well. This is kind of expected. We can queue the generation of image, super important, by the way, meaning that this is something you actually want to do. We just saw that the generating of image takes kind of 30 seconds, I think. So you kind of want to queue that. So we do that through queue job, and we don't have to kind of make the user wait, okay? We also want to do that. We have audio. Oh my God. This is getting fucking ridiculous, man, honestly. We have audio, chat. Do you guys want to see the audio? Type W audio if you want to see some audio. Oh my God. I want to see some audio, man. Oh my God. Let's just type here, generate audio. This is becoming ridiculous right now. We have audio? What do you mean audio? How can I play audio? Okay, I'm going to just generate audio and see then what I can do with this. Can I store it? Yes, I can store it as MP3. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh my God. So this will be audio generated and stored as audio whatever. This is so fucking ridiculous, honestly. Ridiculous is good, just surprising. I'm going to just type here, so good. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm going to ask for that generation. Audio is imported. Save it as that. Generate. Okay. Hopefully this will work with OpenAI. We have no idea. Let's see how it goes. Generate image not defined. Of course, this is not generate image. This is generate audio. Okay. Audio. So we ask for the generation of audio. That was too fast. Almost too fast that I don't believe it, okay? Almost too fast that I don't believe it. Something have probably went wrong. Chat, I'm going to open the audio. You guys let me know if you can hear it, okay? You guys let me know if you can hear it. I think you can hear it, but you guys let me know, okay? So this is an audio. How can you want to open it? I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to go here. I'm going to open the storage.md app private, and I have the audio indeed. I'm going to open it.
So good. OMG.
Did you guys heard it? Wait, what?
So good. OMG.
This is getting ridiculous at this point. Jesus fucking, what the actual fuck? What the? This is honestly like. Can we tweak? Oh, someone is saying, can you change the person who is speaking? That's actually a good point. I don't think there is a method for that. There is a method call it female. In method call it male. Are you serious right now? No fucking way. No way. Oh, you guys! Oh, change scene. I know. I'm getting like too excited. I was trying to find like a way of making the generating of of the audio to be used as a different person, like a different person. And apparently, there's methods for female and male. Are you guys seeing this? What is voice? I don't even know. Like, this is getting ridiculous. All right, let's use this now.
So good. OMG.
Okay, this is the female version.
So good. OMG.
Wait, what? Does that work? Well, apparently it's like the female version of that audio, okay? So we have female, we have male. What is the default, though? The default is like just, you don't specify it, maybe, perhaps? It might be. Try the voice method. What do you want me to put on it, though? Because the voice method, Charlie, is asking for like a string. Wait, what is ally? Specify a specific voice for the generated audio. And what do I put on the voice thing, chat? Can you make a conversation bot where the conversation is with you? I think so, yes. But what do I put on the voice, man? So this is using OpenAI. Hopefully there is like a... Well, let's actually try this one. The alloy thing, okay? So I'm going to do this again. How much token is required to do all of this stuff? I have no idea. I'm still yet to find my OpenAI bill. Nuno voice, that would be cool. All right, I'm going to just put alloy and see how it, I have no idea what will end up happening right now. All right, it did work.
So good. OMG.
All right, that was the result. So I think ally is a different voice. So the theory around this is that it can specify different voices, and that's it. Really cool stuff, honestly. Really cool stuff. The voice thing is from 11 Labs. I don't think it is from 11 Labs, dude. Look at this. If I go to ai.php, it's using OpenAI for audio. Okay, someone is saying use ONYX, which I have no idea what it is. So let's do that. And someone is saying, say it like a pirate. Oh, there is instructions. Wait a second. Instructions. So we can actually prompt AI to also like do this in a different manner, for example. Okay? So clear the terminal. Let's actually equally clear the audio PMP3. Okay? Generate audio once again. So this will be said like a pirate, I think.
So good. OMG.
It's a different voice for sure, so that worked, but it doesn't look like a pirate. Use Portuguese accent. Oh, that's a good point. Let's type here something in Portuguese, like Nuno é programador excelente. Okay, this is Portuguese, okay, chat? And say it with a Portuguese accent. Let's see how it goes now. I'm going to remove this audio once again. Generate audio. Okay, done.
Nuno é programador excelente.
That was not bad, although that doesn't look like Portuguese. That looks like Portuguese from Brazil. Well, actually, if I ask for Portuguese from Portugal, it might just do it. Very cool stuff, by the way. Very interesting stuff here. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous stuff, honestly. Let's see this one.
Nuno é programador excelente.
That was top-notch. This is top-notch, by the way. Top-notch stuff here. Okay. Very interesting, by the way. This is mind-blowing. Okay, this is mind-blowing. Okay, so let's actually, just do another tweet because this is mind-blowing. Jesus fucking Christ. Interesting here. Okay, very interesting stuff. Let's tweet about this, chat. We need to do it. Okay, let's go to profile. Let's do this. Post. Bam. Just screenshot this. Oh my God. Audio 2. Here we go. Much better. Let's see the OpenAI bill for real, dude. I cannot wait to see my OpenAI bill. That's a good point. Taylor Otwell is AI SDK on audio. Taylor, here we go. Wait, what? Taylor Otwell. Here we go. This is the one. Okay, let's go back. What else we have more? Like, literally, we are half through it. Like, this is fucking ridiculous. We are half through the thing. Like, we can also do transcriptions, which is literally taking that audio MP3 and it's audio to text, basically. So you can, in theory, translate the given MP3 to actual text as well. That's something you guys can do too. Okay? I don't know if you guys want to test this one real quick, but in theory, if I go all the way top and I import this, and then I just do this. So we have an audio saying, so good, right? So in theory, if I do this, storage path, that would be private or app, private, audio.mp3. So if I do this, in theory, the transcript will contain so good, okay? So again, I am reading from the given audio and just outputting that information, okay? This is what I think will happen, is that the AI will display generate transcript. Okay, transcript. Okay, generate transcript. Let's do this. So this, in theory, will make the AI read the MP3 file and just print so good. In theory. Oh yeah, Nuno is an excelente. Oh, so good. So the audio was still, Nuno is a programador excelente, meaning that if I read the audio,
Nuno é programador excelente.
here we go, and the output of the transcript was just top-notch. That was in Portuguese, by the way. This is insane. This is absolutely insane. What do you guys think? WSDK, hardcore? What do you think about this? Very cool stuff. Very, very cool stuff. Okay? Wow. I knew this would be good, but like, honestly, amazing stuff right here. This is a big W, I know. And we are half through it. This is the most ridiculous stuff I've ever seen, honestly. What else we have? Jesus Christ, so much stuff. Embeddings, which is literally what we talked about, okay? Embeddings is what we talked about already, okay? What we talked about multiple times. Embeddings for the win. Query embeddings, of course, we can do this as well. We talked about this already. What else we have? Let's go all the way down. By the way, embeddings is actually a big thing. It would be actually a great demo to have on a video, but I think we're going to bypass that one because it's kind of difficult to explain to people what this is about. Re-ranking, you guys just taught me that re-ranking is about reorganizing embeddings in terms of scoring and everything. We talked about that. What else we have? We have files. So this we have seen already. Use stored file in conversations. This is the attachment stuff. Yep. Vector stores. This is a huge deal, by the way. But I think I'm going to skip that one today, if you guys don't mind. Failover. Wow, this is mind-blowing, by the way. This is also insanely important. If you are developing an application that relies on AI, you cannot simply stop working with Cloud Code is down, okay? And Cloud Code is down. I don't know how many times Cloud Code is down for you guys, but for me, it's down 20 times a day. I actually receive an email every single time Cloud Code is down in terms of API, and it's literally 20 times a day. So you want to just have failovers. You want to have a way of AI to fall back to other providers if something is down. So if OpenAI is down, it will rely now on Anthropic after that, all right? Nice. Chat, don't forget, go all the way down, click like on this video, and subscribe this channel if you want to see this number going up, okay? If you want to see this number going up, just click on the subscribe button, okay? Testing, chat. This is fucking important, okay? How do you want to test your agents? Of course, okay? So we all know how testing is important. Testing is insanely important. In theory, using testing is fucking easy with this thing, okay? So the only thing we have to do, let's actually remove all of this stuff, okay? So we have our personal assistant right here. What we can do is create a test for it, okay? So what I will do here is go to agents. I'm going to go into the unit level, I think, and I'm going to create a new directory with the name AI, okay? And then I'm going to have another directory with the name agents. And this agent will be called, or this task will be called personal assistant test. Even though I wouldn't do it at this level, I think. Yeah, I wouldn't do it this level. I would very likely, apologize. I would very likely to have a console command. Here we go. This is what I want to do. Exactly. So I want to do something a little bit different, which is I want to use the artisan facade. I want to call the command with the name, let's see, with the command name example, okay, just like that. And we have a response, okay. And now in theory, what I can do is the following. I can have potentially this, just like that, okay. Let's actually give the prompt like that, because I don't know how I can test Laravel prompts, even though it should be easy, but I'm going to not do it right now. Let's receive the prompt as an argument real quick. So prompt equals to this argument prompt, just like that. Fetching a user, getting a prompt, and then I'm going to assert that the prompt got sent to the user, okay? So in theory, what I have to do is the following. I just have to go to the documentation, and I have to type personal assistant fake. Here we go. I can do this all the way top. Just like that, okay? Why are you blushing and why your nose is too red? Because I'm a little bit sick, dude, as usual. Boom, 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 boom. Cloud Code, the open source AI. Oh yeah, baby. How about video? Oh, that's a good question, actually. Does it support video, though? No, it does not support video. I don't think it supports video, no. Not at the minute. Not at the minute. Can I use that in Arduino? Well, in theory, you can, yes. Does it support Open Router? Like, everyone is talking about Open Router. What the fuck is Open Router, chat? I have no idea. It does support Open Router, yes. But why Open Router is important? Can someone just type on the chat why Open Router is important? I don't know what it is, and I never use it, I think. So just type on the comments why that is important. Okay, let's import this all the way top as usual and do the same thing with personal assistant, just like that. And what we can do is type personal assistant, assert prompt, and I want to assert that what the editor was like today, okay? And what I will do is call this artisan command with prompt, what is the editor today? And I'm going to assert the got prompt. So this should literally be the test. I'm going to type vendor bin passed tests feature, and then example test, and this should work. Okay, we have one failure because there is no such stable users. Why is that? No such stable users. I'm not using refresh database. That's why. So let's use refresh database. So now it's working, but there is no user to be fetched here as first. So what we can do is type user model factory create. So this will create a user for the test, meaning that this will retrieve a user model, okay? Meaning that now this should work, and here we go, we have a successful test suite. This is insane, okay? This is how easy it is to test agents, by the way. So if you have a job or potentially HTTP layer that uses a personal assistant, an agent, you can continue to test that HTTP layer, but you need to fake that agent so it doesn't actually prompt AI, and then you just assert that it got prompt. So it really just works. Okay? Really, really cool stuff. I don't know how many of you are fans of testing. If you are not, you should. And this is important, okay? Important that this AI SDK can be tested. So I think like this entire documentation is about literally how to test this agents, okay? I think like the entire documentation all the way down will be how do you test that an attachment got sent? How do you test that an image got generated? Will be just the full story about it. So I thought we were at the middle, but I think we are going literally to the end of the documentation. So the entire end is about documentation, basically, about testing, which is something important, but I don't think we need to demo. So this is Laravel AI SDK. So I want you guys to give me a classification from 0 to 100. What is your ranking about this AI SDK? Mine is 100%. 100. I think this is absolutely mind-blowing. Super happy about this, and I cannot wait to actually build something with this. Okay? I cannot wait. What do you guys think? 10,000 Florian? Oh my god. I think this is insane, okay? This is insane. 110. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is absolutely dope, indeed. Absolutely dope. Easy 100. WAI SDK for the win, I agree. Jesus Christ. 1 penta? Oh my god, this was so dope, chat. I knew this AI SDK would be just dope, but this was fantastic. Chat, I want you guys, before I leave, I want you guys to go all the way down and obviously click like on this video and subscribe my channel if you can. I think this is fantastic. I'm going to very likely to generate a video out of this stream because this was absolutely dope. And I love when my videos capture some of the, genuine reactions while using this. And I can only do that when I'm doing this for the first time. So, absolutely dope. I loved it. Thank you so much for being on that side. We have a bunch of people watching today's live stream, which was awesome. Make sure to click on the like button before leaving. Subscribe my channel as well. Let's rate someone on Twitch as usual to see who we have online at the minute. But that was dope. Absolutely dope, chat. Absolutely dope. Boo 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 boo. 99,000. See you later on the meeting. Oh, we have a meeting today? Fuck, that's a problem. Okay, let's rate someone, chat. Let's rate someone on Twitch as usual, okay? W stream, that was awesome. Who do we have online? Okay, there is like literally someone doing React, I think. So I'm going to just rate this person. And if you guys want to do some React today, you are going to enjoy this one, okay? Chat, love you all. Catch you guys tomorrow, I think. I think I'm going to stream tomorrow. So catch you guys tomorrow. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Bada boo.